Hello viewer, are you getting YouTube? There was a problem while playing Playback ID error in YouTube. Let's see how to fix this error. Open your phone setting, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is stable. Now search VPN, go to your VPN setting and disconnect all VPN and proxy connection from your device. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search YouTube app, go to YouTube app and make sure your YouTube app is updated. Now tap on your phone's power button, reboot and restart your device. Then after few minutes later, reopen it. Now see your YouTube. There was a problem while playing Playback ID error problem successfully solved.